Hello and welcome to Number Crunch. In this video, we shall focus on prime factorization and particularly the ladder method. So to kick us off, we need to understand what prime factorization is. And it's basically expressing composite numbers as a product of their prime factors. So an example, express 30 as a product of its prime factors. So we need to express 30 as a product of its prime factors using the ladder method. And as the name suggests, it's basically using a structure that looks like a ladder to express the prime factors. And if you attempted the challenge in the previous video where you were required to list all prime numbers between 1 and 100, you should have the list in ascending order. And so starting with the smallest prime number, which is we shall find all the divisors of 30 that are prime. And from the list, the smallest divisor of 30 is 2. And if we divide 30 by 2, we obtain 15 because 2 times 15 is equals to 30. Then 2 is no longer a divisor of 15, so we move to the next smallest number, which is 3. 3 can divide 15 5 times. So we have 5 because 3 times 5 is 15. Then 5 is not a multiple of 3. So we move to the next number, which is 5. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. And 1 is not a prime number. And so from this ladder, we can see that the prime factors are 2, 3, and 5. Therefore, 30 is equals to 2 times 3 times 5. And those are the prime factors of 30. A challenge. Using the ladder method, express 1056 as a product of its prime factors.